Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, I'm Howard Lee, and this is my 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second Pennywise drawing challenge. It Chapter 2 is out very soon in a couple of weeks, and I'm excited. I've chosen to draw Pennywise from the Chapter 2 movie poster. Now, I love the It films. I saw the first one when I was maybe 10 years old, and I'll be honest, I was scared. So I'd just seen the movie and we went on a family holiday to a cottage with this bathroom in the basement, and when I went down those steps to the basement bathroom, it was quite dark and I was sure that when I used that wash basin, a red liquid was going to come like shooting out of the taps. And I'm thinking that maybe 10 years old, not a great time to watch these movies. But I'm older now and I can watch them and enjoy them without getting scared when I go to the bathroom. So you can see I've drawn out the outline with Polychromos black pencil, and now I'm just bringing a black fineliner in to go over the details and just make the drawing pop out and stand out. I've sketched it with the Polychromos, but the fineliner is really giving you that depth of black, and those eyes are really, I think, staring at you straight away when you draw them with a black fineliner. There's quite a lot of detail around the eyes, which is very important. Before I can draw that, I need to mark out the mouth, the nose, get those teeth in, and once I've done those features, I can move on to some tonal work. At this stage, I'm planning to use pastel pencil and a paper blender because I really like how quickly you can get those sort of range of tones with pastel pencil. But of course, at the moment, I'm still using the black fineliner because you can't get those details with the pastel pencil and with the paper blender. So you can see now I've drawn on a few of those wrinkles around the eyes, which help to show the kind of evil grin. They help to back it up, they show the emotion on the face. And I've defined the edge of the face with the fineliner as well. The charcoal pencil has just come out, and you can see how quickly I am sketching that out because we're under 5 minutes now. And I've only just moved on to tonal work. So I'm frantically drawing in with charcoal pencil, and now the orange pastel pencil, the orange pastel is drawn in as suggested in the hair. I'm very quickly coming to the collar of the character, again with the charcoal pencil, because it's so fast to mark out not only the lines of the collar, but also the shadow under the chin. We're down to 3 minutes and 40 seconds now, and I've only just drawn in those all-important lines on the face. I'm using a scarlet red Prismacolor pencil here, and I've marked out the lines. I've sort of sketched in the colour on the mouth, the lines above the eyes, and of course, very important, quick bit of yellow on the irises of the character on the eyes. Now, I'm looking at the clock, there's less than 3 minutes left, and I'm hastily come back to the tonal work because still this has outline now, it has colour, but it doesn't have those tonal values, it doesn't have a gradation from light to dark. So that rolled paper blender you can see is in my hand now, and I'm very quickly getting an idea of the shadow under the chin, which makes the face just pop out. I'm getting the shadow under the eyes now, and you're getting a sense of kind of 3D modelling of the face. I'm actually using a bit of the charcoal substance on the paper blender to draw in some creases on the forehead there. I've got the pencil out again, and I'm drawing in some detailed wrinkles now underneath the eye, where the sort of skin wrinkles up and the eye sockets really begin. And you can see that just shows that the light hits just under the eyes, and I think that's a real important aspect of showing the kind of evil nature of the character. A little bit of definition on those lines, a little bit more a sort of defining of the edge of the face. Back to to the paper blender. We're almost at 30 seconds now, so this is frantic. I'm frantically putting in as much detail as I can, back to the charcoal pencil, and there are a few wrinkles around the nose which help us see that it's kind of scrunched up. Quick white gel pen there, a Uniball Signo Broad. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. You know what? I've got to do this. I can't have it looking like that. Cheating. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I have stopped. I've stopped. 10 minutes. Okay. Right. There is my 10-minute Pennywise, and I'm not doing anything after the 10 minutes. Done. I have stopped, I promise. I've got the kind of demonic grin. I've got those all-important lines. To be honest, they could do with a bit more definition just to tidy them up and make them really pop out there. And that's not cheating, is it? Because I'm just demonstrating to you, aren't I? Really? Bit naughty, but there you go. Look, I've stopped. I'm not touching it. I'm happy. He's got his little, I don't know, collar thing. I don't know what you call that. I've got a suggestion of his hair. I've got that really long face. Yeah, all right. We'll take that. We'll take that for the 10 minutes. I'll just get recomposed. Right, I'm resetting my timer. 1 minute. What? 1 minute. Okay, right. Technical problems dealt with. For this, I'm really enjoying, right? I really enjoyed, for the first one, I really enjoyed these Faber-Castell polychromos. I find this polychromos black to be really soft. And yet, I don't know, you can do soft kind of areas with it, but you can also do detail. Although I am only drawing for 1 minute, so I probably shouldn't get too carried away, because what I'm going to do is going to look quite bad. Do you know, I've made a bit of a mess of my paper with all that pastel. I'm just going to tidy up my paper here just for a second. I'm not touching the drawing from before. I'm not touching it because, you know, I don't touch the drawing after the time. I stick to the rules. Always start a drawing with a sharp pencil. Never ever start with a blunt pencil. Do you know what? I'm just going to use the pen. I'm going to use the pen because it's quicker. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I'm doing the outline, I'm doing the chin there. Oh, that's actually awful. That is where there's an eye, there's the nose here. I don't know what's happened. It's like I can't draw all of a sudden. Oh, why did I use that pen? Why? Why did I do that? Okay, we'll get the eyes in, we'll get those lines in, we'll get the lines going round to the mouth, we'll get the it's like 8 seconds and I've done nothing. I've literally almost done absolutely nothing. What happened? Okay, right, well, we've got the 10-minute there, and, you know, quite happy with that. It looks like Pennywise, to be fair. It looks like what it's supposed to look like. You'd look at that and you'd say, yeah, Pennywise, you've done it. The middle, I don't know what that looks like. A sort of mad, looks like a baby with a sort of big, creepy smile on his face and like a massive cranium. Here we have 10 minutes drawing of Pennywise. which is reasonably respectable. Here we have a 1 minute drawing of a big giant cranium baby. Well, moving on, we're now gonna do a 10-second Pennywise, and it's gonna be so good, isn't it? Last time I did a 10-second drawing, I actually didn't draw for the first 4 seconds. I spent the first 4 seconds going 10 seconds. There we go. Right, getting better at that. Oh no, why do I do this? Why do I do this challenge? Okay, right, let's do this. 10-second Pennywise. I'm going back to the pencil. I'm gonna try and draw like the lines on his face and his mouth. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, eye, big sloping brow, line, nose, mouth. Okay. Okay, well, this is what happens when you don't look at a drawing when you're drawing it, because you're worrying about the fact that you've only got 10 seconds. I don't know which one is worse, to be totally honest with you. I'm quite happy with the first one. I am quite happy with that. It looks like Pennywise, right? It's not the best drawing I've ever done. And do you know what? I realised I've messed up the teeth there at like the last second. Like I really messed them up. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone I did that, because it's not cheating, because I say so. 10-minute Pennywise, things are in the right place, the mouth's in the right place, the eyes are in the right place, you've got that big old kind of giant head that Pennywise has for some reason, and you've got his frilly sort of collar, and I'm fairly happy with that for a 10-minute sketch. It's not my best, but it's not my worst. So this was a lot of fun to do. I really enjoyed this. I love doing these 10-minute drawing challenges. And last time you guys just watched and commented so much to when I did the Lion King 10-minute, 1 minute, 10-second drawing challenge, and I love to see your comments there. I mean, I think I have now about 347k subscribers now, and that's amazing to me. It's really amazing, and I really appreciate every subscriber. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this. If you watched it, thanks for watching this. Thanks for subscribing. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, share it, comment, tell me what that weird baby thing in the middle is, and I will see you next time for another challenge.